Are you looking for an opportunity to bring in a little more income for your family? Maybe you need dance or guitar lessons. Maybe you need a new roof. Maybe you need a zero-turn lawnmower. Maybe you need to pay a very large hospital bill deductible, or maybe you just need to take your family of 6 on a much needed vacation. These are just a few of the things that have been provided to our family through Lilla Rose. So whether you're wanting to work full-time or you're just wanting to fund your own personal Lilla Rose obsession, Lilla Rose is there to support and provide all that you need to find success in your business. So for an $89 investment, I just want to show you what you can get with your enrollment kit. So you get all of these accessories, and these are all best sellers. You're going to get 6 flexies, including the extra extra small all the way up to the medium. You will get a simple swerve. You're going to get a hair stick, a set of bobbies, an acrylic U-pin. You're going to get the waterproof sport with the flippable pin. You'll get a set of our traditional U-pins, and you'll also get a flexi flip also with the flippable pin. All of that is an incredible value and all best sellers. So they are starting you off with the best. You're also going to get a stand-up banner that you can put on a table that works great for shows or in-home parties, or even if you're having an open house yourself. You are also going to get your business supplies to get you started. You're going to have order forms, catalogs, brochures, and business cards in there just to get you started off on the right foot. And then you also get my very favorite essentials. So these are ones that I use daily. So you get the bamboo hair towel, you get the Lilla Rose rose water, which is also good for the face as well as the hair, the conditioning leave-in detangler, you can get the 2 hair mascara, and the amazing hair serum for shine and growth. Again, fabulous best-selling essentials. So they are starting you off on the right track. Now that is not all. You are also going to get a 30 to 45% commission on anything that you sell through the website or in person. If you sell things from your accessories, from your enrollment kit, you're going to make a profit of 30% off of, actually beyond that, because this is such a good deal, you're going to get beyond 30%. But if you would purchase and then sell, you'll get 30% up to 45% on those products, which if you're purchasing for yourself is a 30 to 45% discount. So really, even that in and of itself is amazing. You're also going to get a free website, almost unheard of in our industry. But that will provide those who also don't want to carry inventory to support their business through emails and online in many different ways. So that opportunity is there for you as well. So along with the free website, the accessories and the essentials and the business supplies, you're going to have tons of training support for whatever track you decide to take. If you want to jump in full time and do shows and events and fairs and festivals, there is training for that. If you want to stay strictly online and you don't want to carry any inventory, there are training tracks for that as well. They provide so many options for you. You won't have a need or a lack of training if you're interested in any of those ways of selling. So I just want to encourage you to look around when you're out and about throughout the day, whether you're shopping or at the ball field or just running errands. Look around at the ladies around you. What do they have in their hair? I'm going to venture to say they don't have Lilla Rose in their hair, or if you see Lilla Rose, it's going to be very few, which means there's a huge opportunity, because behind every claw and elastic that you do see is a woman who is wanting better solutions for their hair, just like you and me. So I would just encourage you to look around and see the opportunity is there for us. There is a lot to share about Lilla Rose. So I hope that you will consider whether you are looking, again, to jump in full-time, or whether you just want to support and fund your own hair accessory wardrobe. There is a place for you in the Lilla Rose family. So I hope you will contact Lilla Rose or the person who shared this with you, and I hope that you'll be joining our Lilla Rose family soon. Have a great day.